Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am SN Kubendra from Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering. My USN is 1V22CS133 and today's topic is gonna be about Java objects, classes, method overriding and method overloading. So let's start. What are the concepts we are gonna see in this presentation? Introduction to Java objects and classes, understanding method overriding, exploring method overloading, some examples on overloading and overriding. Let's start. Introduction to Java objects and classes. Objects and classes. Core principles of object oriented programming facilitating modular and scalable software development in Java. OOPS principle. Encapsulation, inheritance, polymorphism, and abstraction enable efficient code organization and maintainability. Role of objects and classes. They serve as the building blocks for modeling real world entities, encapsulating data and behavior, and fostering code reusability and modularity. Java classes. Classes definition. Java classes encapsulate attributes and methods, serving as blueprints for creating objects. Class structure. Constructors initialize objects, instance variables, hold object state, and methods define object behavior. Example. Illustration of a simple Java class with attributes, constructor, and methods for a conceptual entity like student or car. Java objects. Objects as instances. Each object is an instance of a class, embodying specific state and behavior defined by the class. State and behavior. Objects encapsulate during state and behavior. Objects encapsulate state using fields, while methods provide behavior for interacting with object state. Instantiation. Syntax and process of creating objects using constructors and the new keyword enabling dynamic memory allocation. Understanding method overriding. Method overriding. Subclasses can redefine inherited methods from their superclass, allowing for polymorphic behavior. Inheritance. Subclasses inherit behavior and attributes from their superclass, facilitating code reuse and hierarchy. Rules. Method signature, return type covariance, and access modifier govern method overriding in Java. This is an example of method overriding. So first we import java.io.star that includes basic input output package. Class animal. Void eat. Void eat is a function. So we are printing eat method of base class, which is shown that the inner function is called, and then class dog extends animal. So dog is extended from the class animal, and void eat is called. And again system.out.println eat method is derived class, and dog is eating. So next class method overriding example. So this is the main class as it has public static void main. Dog d1 equals new dog, animal a1 equals new animal, which calls the class dog and animal. d1.eat a1.eat, which calls the function inside the class. And the output is as follows: eat method of derived class, dog is eating. Eat method of base class, eating. Eat method of derived class, dog is eating. Exploring method overloading. Method overloading. Multiple methods with the same name but different parameters lists coexist within a class. Facilitating method invocation based on argument types. Syntax. Method signature, parameter types, and return type do not affect method overloading. Promoting code readability and flexibility. Compile time polymorphism. Method resolution occurs during compile time based on method signatures, enhancing code clarity and developer productivity. method overloading example. So again we are importing standard input output functions, standard input output package, method overloading example. First we import standard input output package from Java, and next class method overloading example. It consists of static int add function. We are giving the function int a comma b print a plus return a plus b. So it returns the added value of a plus b, and next is int a comma b comma int a int b comma int c. So here it has three variables, so it returns a plus b plus c. So next public static void main. So the main function is written within the class system.out.println add with two parameters, and the class add is called here. So the function add is called here, add 4 comma 6. So int a is equals to 4, int b is equals to 4, and it returns the value 4 plus 6, that is 10. Next add with three parameters. So next we give values as add 4 comma 6 comma 7. So for the return type for three parameters is a plus b plus c, that is 4 plus 6 plus 7. So the answer is 17. Method overloading enhances code clarity, simplifies method invocation, and promotes code reuse by accommodating various parameter combinations. Use cases: constructors, utility methods, and API design often employ method overloading to provide flexibility and convenience to developers. Method overriding versus method overloading. Method overriding alters inherited method behavior in subclasses, while method overloading enables the definition of multiple methods with the same name within a class. Method overriding is ideal for achieving polymorphic behavior and specialization, whereas method overloading enhances method invocation flexibility and readability. Choosing the appropriate technique based on code clarity, design intent, and maintainability fosters robust and intuitive Java programming practices. So we are at end of our slide. Conclusion: Java objects, classes, method overriding, and method overloading represent foundational concepts underpinning Java's object-oriented programming paradigm. Mastery of these concepts empowers developers to design elegant, modular, and scalable software solutions, promoting code reusability and maintainability. Continued exploration, practice, and application of advanced Java concepts facilitate proficiency and mastery, enabling developers to craft efficient and resilient software solutions. So we so this is the end of our video. Thank you for watching. Do like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.
From the dust and clear my throat.